Our moisture-rich cleansing lotion is a part of our care collection. Cleansers remove dirt, bacteria, and debris from the skin. Our cleansing lotion is really important because we use beehive-friendly beeswax, and that creates an inclusive moisture barrier to really lock in the hydration and moisture that our dry skin kinds need. We also use grapeseed and organic sunflower seed oils. These are antioxidants that help protect and regenerate new skin cells. We want to use this product daily. We want to moisten your skin. We want to apply 1 to 2 pumps of the moisture-rich cleansing lotion. We want to go always in upward motions. And what this will do is soften the skin, hydrate the skin, and like I said, it creates an occlusive barrier to lock in moisture. So you're going to rinse this off. And know your beauty.